ILO Barbican at the moment after the earthquake. Acha.
I'm saying to you, all the aisles them, all around the aisle 8, every aisle is a mess.
Boy, Jesus. That one there heavy. Yo. Jaja. People. Oh my God. Yo,
This earthquake, this man.
yo, man, I'm free. No,
This earthquake like this yet.
come on.
Yeah, this one is what it.
Yo, I dance, building a dance.
Building have a drop.
Yo.
We don't see it supposed to piss up themselves.
Yo, a joke thing. The earthquake is serious.